AirTags are finally here. We set them up today and then we are taking them to the beach to see whether they're useful and helpful getting stolen items back, or whether the thief gets a notification right away. Then we are setting them up for the next video, putting them on a drone, see whether an AirTag can track a drone. Let's take a look after the intro. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Finally we have AirTags, and as the packaging tells us, they were long ready for release in 2020 already, since it's just written and printed right on the packaging. Some accessory makers even printed their boxes around 2019, so it's reaching quite a while back when the design was ready. Finally we have them, and that is great. Just there's one concern. And that is that I want to use them to track my items when they get stolen. Because I usually don't lose things, I don't search for items, I know where they are. But that items get stolen is a much more viable, much more realistic use case for me. And we will test whether that is possible or if it's rendered really not usable if the thief gets a very quick notification right after he stole my backpack, for example. We will see. The setup process is quite straightforward. We're just holding it next to our iPhone. The iPhone finds the AirTag. The U1 chip is making that really intuitive. Then we are choosing a category what that AirTag is for. In this case, we are making a custom name. We are using the AirTag with this iPhone, and we are calling it Test 101. And we can give the AirTag an emoji, and we are choosing a fish, since we are going to the beach today. And done! The AirTag location is logged into the iPhone, and we are ready to go. Okay, great. We're at the beach now, and the iPhone where the AirTag is locked to is turned off. And I'm using now my second iPhone with a different Apple ID, not related to that AirTag. And what I want to know is now, how long does it take that the AirTag is notifying me that there's an unidentified AirTag not belonging to me traveling with me together? Because that is the use case when a thief is getting my backpack where I was hiding an AirTag in, or when I hide the AirTag in my car and somebody drives off. That person driving off in my car would get a notification then if I'm not traveling together in that group in that car where the AirTag hidden in that car is traveling together with. here we are, 1 hour in, and we get the notification to our iPhone not belonging to that AirTag that there's an AirTag traveling with us, not belonging to us. And we get all the instructions and notifications how to disable, how to find it. We can ping it. You can decide for yourself. After 1 hour, it seems that the AirTag is pinging and addressing the iPhone from the person it is traveling with, where the Apple ID is not locked to that AirTag. So basically that gives us a window of 1 hour before the thief gets a notification that there's an AirTag tracking him. So if you want to have a chance to get stolen items back, we have a window of 1 hour. For the next test how AirTags perform, I decided to put it on a drone. Can I track my drone with an AirTag? We will find out in the next video. Stay tuned for that. And as always guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, have a great rest of the day, stay safe and see you in the next one.